Hi guys, welcome back to another Adeline Garage Tech Tip. So today we're going to show you how to change the battery in a 15 through 2020 F150 key fob. So this is the switchblade type key fob, and it's actually pretty easy. So they take the CR 2032 button cell batteries, and the keyless entry and the push button start fobs are a completely different process than this. So what we need to do right there, see that nice little groove that's right there? So what we need to do is take a nice flathead, very small flathead screwdriver, put that in that groove and twist a little bit, and you can kind of feel it pop. It popped up, and then pull it apart, and there you go. So you can see the battery. What we'll do, pop the battery out, put the new one back in, put the plus side up, and then just pop it back on. And there you guys go. Here's my truck lock. Truck unlocks. And you're all set. So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the like button down below, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.